Now we discuss about the group velocity and the uh, wave velocity. Wave velocity, also called as a phase velocity, and which is denoted by Vp, and group velocity denoted by Vg. So first of all, we will discuss about the what is in by the phase velocity or the wave velocity Vp. So wave velocity or the phase velocity Vp is the velocity with which a definite phase of the wave, such as its crest or trough, is propagated in the medium. Upper part is crest, lower is trough, and Vp is equal to nu lambda is equal to omega by k. Omega is equal to 2 pi nu and k is equal to 2 pi upon lambda. Next is group velocity Vg. It is the velocity with which the energy in the group is transmitted. Vg is equal to d omega by dk is equal to minus lambda square d nu by d lambda. The relation between wave velocity and group velocity is Vg is equal to Vp minus lambda dVp by d lambda. This is the relation between the phase velocity or the wave velocity and the group velocity. Vg is equal to Vp minus lambda dVp by d lambda. Next point is the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. So the Heisenberg uncertainty principle state that it is impossible to determine simultaneously position and momentum of the electron with any desired accuracy. So mathematically this relation can be explained as del p into the del x greater than or equal to h cross, where here del p is the uncertainty in the determination of the momentum, del x is the uncertainty in the determination of the position. Also in case of the time energy uncertainty principle, del E into the del T greater than or equal to h cross, and in case of angular momentum and angular displacement, del J into del phi greater than or equal to h cross. These are the Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. So there are various applications of this Heisenberg uncertainty principle. First application is binding energy of the hydrogen atom can be determined. Next one is the radius of the Bohr's first orbit, so can be determined. Another one is the strength of the nuclear force, and next one is the stability of the atom can be explained from this Heisenberg uncertainty principle, and the non-existence of the electron in the nucleus can be also explained from this Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. So these are the applications of the Heisenberg's uncertainty principle.